This is a brand new 2014 Honda Accord. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.